So my name is Russell Bellatro. I was hired on to do business analysis as well as business improvement. We queried Guru Solutions. We were looking for a company that had expertise in the project management, resource allocation, job costing, and advanced financial modules, and help with implementation. When we started working with Gurus, it really was clear communication, and they were really good with explaining how NetSuite worked, because we were very new with NetSuite, as well as the implementation cycle and how that would work. I would say the technical expertise of Gurus was absolutely amazing. Anything with troubleshooting, they come back to us and they give us an ETA or an ETR, and they always live up to their promises. So Rangeland Engineering Canada Corporation definitely has scaled up, and we're actually looking at growing our modules with NetSuite and leveraging Guru Solutions for that. I 100% would recommend working with Gurus. Again, very professional, very communicative. They deliver on what they promise, and just a pleasure to work with.